It is time for another property tour with your host, Alex Maloney. And y'all, this is one of the most iconic grand home models of all time. I like to call it the mini castle. It is a thing of beauty, and we are here tonight at twilight to see this bad boy. Look at this circular driveway, breezeway over there, and we are about to enter in, y'all. We are in. We are so in, y'all. Absolutely legendary. Double staircase. Super modern fixtures throughout. Can't wait to show y'all this one. Stacked, formal, and living. And if you haven't already, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel to inform people on the awesome Texas real estate market. But here is the office. There's a full bath right there. Trying to turn the light on. There we go. And stand-up shower. And in-law suite. Second bedroom down here, which we'll get to in a second, with a half bath down here. And let's come over here. That is the pantry, y'all. We'll get there in a second. Look at that. So tons of room in here. They're using that as a storage space right now. And let's come to the kitchen, an open floor plan. And y'all, again, this is SILVERLEAF Estates, Frisco, Texas, right off of Lebanon. Super close to the Dallas North Tollway, probably not even 5 minutes. And this is Frisco ISD, indeed. Look at that. Wow. And actually, this is the pantry. So the other spot we saw over there, that is the laundry room, y'all. So big laundry room with cabinets and all that good stuff. And here we have a double modern fixture lighting, soaring ceilings, bay windows, floor to ceiling fireplace with that balcony. Very open floor plan. Gas fireplace. And we're going to try to go out here real quick. Let me try to unlock it because it's getting dark out. I want to make sure that we have good lighting and all that good stuff. So this one backs a green belt. Super neat. And you got your pool with the jacuzzi, covered patio, soaring ceiling covered patio with those bay windows, sliding doors, those slide all the way open. And y'all, this model starts at 1.55. And we have great reps that can tell you all about it. Tell them Alex Maloney said to come see them. Katie and Cynthia are the reps. And there is Miss Megan Tamplin over there. She's trying to come out here, ruin the video. No, just kidding. She helps the video, if anything, y'all. And she's trying to get her own footage before we don't have much light. And here we have the master suite, y'all. With the stand-up shower, garden tub, modern glass, both sides, dual engagement to get in this shower, and rainfall shower head with a large walk-in closet. You can go both ways, y'all. This comes all the way around. Double vanity. That is a great setup. It's pretty spacious too, y'all. Vaulted ceilings, French doors to your master suite. Over there where those offices are, those would be your garage. So once they sell this model, that would be your garage. There's the laundry room that we were just talking about, and it's got another balcony, y'all. Lots of character to this model home. One of my favorite in all of DFW, that's for sure. And let's head upstairs. Here we go. Here we got the game room set up, as you can tell, with the pool table, bird's eye view of the lower level. And a view of the staircase. One of the best. And you got your wet bar up here, y'all. Tile backsplash that goes all the way up from the counter to the ceiling. Modern lighting. Updated wood ceilings. And we'll come over here to the media room. Private media room, y'all. Private media room. Love this. It's got some steps to go down, which is always a great thing. And you have your full bath right here. Tile backsplash goes all the way from the tub to the ceiling. And you got another room over here. And here's the wet bar. They made good use of this space, y'all. Shout out to the architect. And let's come over here. This is the little balcony area. Little study area for those young scholars out there. Shout out to all our future doctors, athletes, singers, music artists, first responders. And we have another balcony that goes outside, y'all. Twilight, baby, my favorite. And let's come back over here through this room. And another look at that staircase. Man, those lights are something else. That is crazy. Love that. Another bedroom here. With those dual closets. Oh, it's got a little Jack and Jill, it looks like. So full bath right here, vanity. And another vanity over here with the connected bedroom. Very, very nice. And that is it, y'all. I pretty much showed you all around. I usually end up in the backyard, but we had to get out there before it got too dark where we couldn't see. So I just want to thank y'all for tuning in. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this property tour. And I will see y'all on the next one.